Looking to elevate your marketing strategy, discover how to create stunning QR codes in Canva that not only catch the eye but also drive engagement. With just a few easy steps, you can design custom codes that reflect your brand's identity and make it easier for customers to connect with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out. Let's get creative and transform your approach to marketing today. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to create QR codes on Canva. So first of all I have to do is open a browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page. You can just get started and find your account, then you get started with Canva here. So QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to digital content, and Canva makes creating them effortless. With a variety of customizable templates, you can design a catching QR codes that match your brand style, whether you're for marketing materials or social media. These codes can boost engagement and drive traffic. Get creative with Canva and turn your QR codes into a powerful marketing tool. So right now, all I have to do is just click over here and you click over home and then you will find this page. So as you can see, I will show you how you can do that. So first step that you have to do is just click over create a design, then you'll just click over custom size, and then you write here the width here, for example write 9 here, the right height 9 also, then we'll choose here en, I'll write again 9 here, and I will click over create new design. Once you do that, you will find other page which is this one. So as you can see, so the first step that you have to do is just search about whatever you want. For example, I will choose about player of game basketball like that. So I will just choose for example, I will choose for example this one. So here we have it. So right now all I have to do is just go to the apps here and you search about code QR, let's say QR code. So and once you do that, you will find this one, so you click over it like that. So as you can see here we have, you have to add a URL and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So I will just go right now. So I'll choose here basket shoes, for example. I will select this one, for example. Then I will just click over here and copy the link, and then I will come back. So I will just paste it here, and here we have it. Right now I will just click over customize. I will choose the background color. So for example, I will choose, for example, I will let it white, then for foreground color, so I'll let it like that black. So then I will just click over generate code. Once you do that, you will find it here as you can see. So I'll just put it small, then I'll put it here like that, as you can see. So here we have our QR code. So as you can see, you can also load all these things like that. So we have here starting today. You can just delete it and you write whatever you want here, as you can see. So let's come back here to the top or to the home page. Right now, all I have to do is just go to the presentation like that. Here we have presentation. You click over it and you will find other page. So as you can see, so right now I will just choose for example something like that, and then I'll put it here, as you can see. So here we have the design that we choose, as you can see. So as you can see, you can just modify all the things that you have that you want. And right now I will show you how you can share this as a QR code. So the first step that you have to do is just click over share, and you will find here this share design. We have people with access to it. So you have just to go and click over public view link, As you can see, here we have it. You have just right now to click over create link with watermarks. So we have here create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view only version of this design. No sign in required. So I will click over create link in water. So here we have it, as you can see. So we have here the link. You have just to click over copy, and I will go to the Google and I will paste it here, as you can see. So once you just copy it and paste it here in your browser, you'll find it here, as you can see. So creating QR codes on Canva is a straightforward and creative way to enhance your marketing efforts with its intuitive design. Also, you can customize QR codes to match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring they are not only functional but also visually appealing. This seamless integration allows you to elevate your promotional materials, making it easier for audience to connect with your content. Unlock the power of QR codes on Canva and watch your engagement soar. So right now I will show you how you can find your design right now. So let's come back to the Canva here and you click over correct design, as you can see. So let's click on over customize size again, and I will choose here also 9 again. And you click over create new design again. So you did the same steps that you did in the first. So we'll find this page, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just go to the QR code, then you have to copy the design that we did here, as you can see. So we have here the link here. So let's wait. So as you can see right now, let's just go to the app and let's search for QR code again. And let's click over the first one. And right now you have just pasted the link. As you can see here, we have again add URL, and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach your URL. So I will just paste it here, and then I will click over generate code, and you will find your code here. So you can also customize the background color. For example, I will select here like that. I'll set the background here like then you select here the foreground that you want. Also here we have margin, and then you can just also that, as you can see. So here we have our QR code. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and watch this video until the end. So have a fantastic day ahead.